Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2021 Polestar 2 and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the taillights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lenses. If you like the product, link for the product will be down below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillights. So to prep them, all you need to do is apply Slip Solution onto the lens. And with the clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the taillight may have. So to start with the installation, all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the taillight lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, we need to make sure we align the film first to this lower edge of the taillight. So align it to this section first, and once you align it, everything else should fall into place. So align it here, and as you can see, everything else is aligned. So now we need to secure this section first. So to secure it, all you need to do is lift the film and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure it stays in that position, hold it with one hand, and then with the other hand, start tagging it down with your squeegee. Once you secure this section, just make your way to the top layer and just tack down everything. So now that we secured this section, all we need to do now is stretch the film to this edge and this section to that edge. So in order to stretch the film, we need to apply Slip Solution on the lens and on the adhesive side of the film. That way it's easier to stretch. Make sure this area is dry. So grab your microfiber towel and dry the area. And make sure you put your hand on both this section here and this area. That way you're able to stretch the film. So with one hand, stretch it until you reach it to the edge right here. So like that. Hold it in position, apply Tack Solution. That way we can start tacking it down. Okay, now this section secured, and you would just do the same steps that we did here for this section here. And now all we need to do is tack down this finger here in the middle section. So to bring this finger down, all you need to do is apply Tack Solution on top of the film and apply heat. That way we are able to break down this finger. And then once we remove this finger, we can tack it down with our microfiber towel and our squeegee. So wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and little by little start helping the film tack down. So just tack it down. Some of the film here, we're going to need to stretch the film up. So to stretch it, lift the film again and apply Slip Solution and stretch it upward. And now the fingers disappeared, and just rinse and repeat until you remove the fingers. And that's pretty much it. And now, since this section is done, we can move on with the next piece, which is this middle piece right here. So when it comes to installing the 3 strips that go on this section of the lens, you can do it with the dry installation method. So what I mean by that is just applying it with no solution. If you do the dry installation method, just make sure that you align everything and it covers everything on the top section here and on the bottom. So keep it aligned to cover everything here. So that's how you do the first one. Just make sure to secure everything. If you need to lift it and adjust it, you can. Keep it aligned and it should tack down everything here. And now you do the same for the strip that goes underneath here and the strip that goes here. So for the bottom strip, align it to this edge first. And now that it's aligned, make your way to this section here. Okay, and now just do the last one here. This one, align it to the edge again, and then just follow along with the design. And now we're just going to apply heat just to help that adhesive activate faster, and then we'll move on to this piece here. Okay, so for this section here, just to make things easier and faster, just apply Tack Solution behind the film and on the lens. That way you're able to move the film just a little bit and align it at the same time. So align it there, and then everything should fall into place. And if you need to adjust it to realign it, you can. Just take your time to align the film. So align it here first and make your way on installing the rest of the film. So apply tack solution on top, use your squeegee to tack it down. Okay, and that's it, and then just make sure you remove any bubbles that are behind the film. And after that, we're done with this section, and now we can move on with this piece here. Okay, so for this piece here, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film and align it right to this edge first. So it should be like this. Once you have it aligned, lift the film and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure to keep it aligned. Once it's aligned, hold it in position with one hand, and with your other hand, start using your squeegee to tack it down and secure it. And then the rest should just fall along. Just hold it in position and tack it down. And we're just going to help this section of the film tack down by applying heat and tack solution. And then with our microfiber towel, we're going to help it secure underneath here. So tack solution, apply heat, and then bring it down with our microfiber towel. Okay, and that's it. Now we can move on with the last piece, which is this large section here. So for this last piece, all you need to do is apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And we're going to place the film onto the light. And first we're going to start by aligning it on one section first. So once you have it aligned, we're going to work our way on each section until we reach to that end. So first apply tack solution here on this edge. That way we align the film to the edge and we start securing it and tacking it down. So apply a tack solution on top, hold it in position, and just start tacking down the film. So we're going to focus on tacking down the middle section first. Once we're done securing the middle section, then we'll secure the top and then the bottom. So keep it aligned till you reach it here. And you're going to do just a light stretch to reach it to this edge. So stretch the film just a little bit. Once you have it stretched, apply tack solution and tack it down to secure it. And now that we secured the middle section, now we can move on with the rest. So just apply tack solution on top of the film and underneath. And from the middle, we're just going to start tacking everything down and making your way to one end and then to the other end. And you just rinse and repeat on the bottom as well. Start from the middle and just start tacking down and squeegeeing and removing all the solution. Just make sure you remove all the solution behind the film. And then once we're done securing the whole panel, the last step would be to apply heat to seal the whole section. And then once we finish sealing and securing the whole piece, we could pulse heat the entire film. So once you finish with the whole installation, the last thing to do is to pulse heat the entire tail light. So to pulse heat, all you need to do is apply tack solution all over the film. And we're going to use our heat gun to apply heat all over the film. And the heat will help the adhesive activate faster. And we're just going to use our microfiber towel to help it tack down and help us remove any solution that's still on the film. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So just take your time when you're doing this. You don't need to rush it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight Tints for the 2021 Polestar 2. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.